blinding sunlight, these endless dunes represent a truly hostile environment for fruit farming.
This section here shows high acidity.
Noted. We need to adjust the lime application immediately.
The historical data shows a clear deficit in rainfall these past 5 years.
But the experimental orchard is showing resilience we didn't predict, Doctor.
Squeezing the mixture tests its readiness. Once it holds together like this, the soil is alive, ready to support new growth.
Challenge has officially begun. Secure those last bolts now. Get the pressure stabilized.
There it is. It's changing color and it's damp.
Yes, we hit the layer. Good work.
Yes.
We finally did it!
We did it! It's working!
After all this time, look at it flow.
A fully active water infrastructure transforms the desert backdrop, preparing the land for new life. Water brings life to the arid soil, transforming the desert one drop at a time. We're seeing excellent viability in this trial batch. The smooth texture suggests a strong coat.
This Amanogawa variety meets the criteria. High heat tolerance, low chilling requirements. This is where the science meets the risk.
The soil remains untouched, yet beneath the surface, the quiet anticipation of new life builds as the days pass.
Look how tall they are already.
Almost 5 centimeters. Unbelievable.
Look at this root system. Strong, white, and fibrous. These are definitely ready for the field now.
Deep within the facility, the next generation sleeps under artificial suns. The windbreak nets were designed to protect the young orchard, but this was the ultimate test. The most dangerous phase is not over, but they survived the first test.
The release of the mason bees signals a new chapter. Life returns to this arid landscape.
Here we witness the symbolic transition. The cherry petals drift away, revealing.
Bathed in the golden light of the morning sun, this small green fruit signals the start of the growing season.
The contrast is stark. The lush bounty of the orchard against the a testament to human ingenuity. This living miracle thrives.
In this arid landscape, the harvest is a race against the sun, transforming the desert floor into a sea of red.
That's the last one. Feels good, doesn't it? We made the deadline.
We knew it would be a good year, but the scale of the harvest has simply exceeded all expectations.
We did good today, hermano.
See, we did. Time to go home.
The miracle is complete, awaiting the world's reaction.
The harvest is complete.
Proof that the impossible happened.
This experimental harvest of desert-grown cherries could change everything.
I can't believe how many there are.
It's incredible. We really pulled this off.
Bring the next pallet in tight on the left. Watch the condensation.
Desert cherries.
Never seen those before. Where are they from?
Look at the size of these. I've never seen anything like it. And the color. Are they even real?
See what you think of this one.
That is the best cherry I've ever had.
Looking back at where we started, it's hard to believe how far we've come. This orchard is more than just trees, it's our legacy.
The impossible